Mastering Digital Marketing, Step-by-Step Guide for Beginners. Hi everyone. I am Nourul Aziz, a digital marketer and YouTube video SEO expert. Welcome to this video about Mastering Digital Marketing, Step-by-Step Guide for Beginners. In this video, we will take you on an exciting journey into the world of digital marketing, equipping you with the essential knowledge and strategies to thrive in today's competitive online landscape. So, let's dive in. Before we delve into the intricacies of digital marketing, let's understand its significance. Over the years, marketing has evolved from traditional methods to the dynamic and data-driven world of digital marketing. Today, reaching your target audience is all about understanding the power of the internet and leveraging its tools and platforms to your advantage. The digital marketing landscape offers a plethora of channels to connect with your audience. From social media to email marketing, search engine optimization to pay-per-click advertising, and compelling content creation to attract and engage potential customers. We understand that mastering digital marketing can be overwhelming for beginners. But fear not. Our step-by-step guide breaks down the process into manageable chunks, guiding you from a novice to a confident digital marketer. It's crucial to identify your ideal customers and tailor your marketing efforts accordingly. Step 2. Keyword Research. Learn how to find the right keywords to boost your online visibility. Step 3. Plan your social media content strategically to engage and grow your audience. Step 4. Analyze your performance using data-driven tools to optimize your campaigns continually. Congratulations! With our step-by-step guide, you are now equipped with the knowledge and skills to conquer the world of digital marketing. Remember, continuous learning and adaptation are key to staying ahead in this ever-evolving landscape. Thanks for watching.